Alright guys, so let me finally show you my apartment or the studio where I live here in Thailand and the whole building. So let's go. Alright, so this is the parking lot of the apartment building. There's a lot of cars here. And this is the building itself. As you can see, it's restricted entrance or private entrance over there. I was really fascinated by this when I came here. They usually have sodas, cigarettes and other things for offering over there. So it's really fascinating when you see it for the first time. Okay, let's go this way, in fact. Here, if you get anything ordered to your place from any website, you'll have it here. Even food, Grab will come and put it here for you. And if you have a motorbike, you have helmets or a helmet, you can put it over here. Alright, let's use our key to enter. By the way, they can get you water for 50 baht right at your door. Beautiful pool full of fish. And the building is open, or it has an open roof in the middle. It's a little terrace here. It's a little weird, guys, to record while you have people around. And then here is the washing room. You pay 50 baht and you can wash your clothes here. Everything is preset. Don't need to worry about anything. Just put your detergent and clothes, wash, and that's it. Nice little terrace. And this is kind of the side of the building. Have a really nice banana tree. Another building here, and on the other side it's the main road. So I strongly do not recommend you get a rent on the main road because of the noise. See, you can even hear that. Yeah. Here's their deposit. And There is some construction going on here which I don't like because it's noisy. But yeah, you can't have them all. Hey. As I said, it's weird to record when you have people around, but they seem okay. Um, some of them are comfortable being in front of the camera. But yeah, let's go and let me show you the room. But before that, this is the side of the building where I've been to. So now let's get into the room. Room 204. Alright, so yeah, my shoes over there. We have it's a bottle of water or a bucket of water. Then I got a package recently earlier today, but I don't even know how to do this. The bed is pretty large, which I like. Then we have these pieces of furniture besides the bed, which are very useful. Yeah, we have a TV here, the fridge, and then a lot of space to put your clothes in, and a desk, a chair. That's really important for me. This lamp, it's amazing. When you want to read, I just move the chair and I turn on the lamp. We have the AC over there. The book that I'm reading now. I also have this. I still have to take care of my injuries, as you can see. One over here on the leg, so I have to clean myself. I clean my wounds every day. But yeah, here is the bathroom. That's how it looks. And I don't have a lot of stuff. Usually I don't have a lot of stuff, but now especially because I'm actually in the process of moving and cleaning the place. You want to live it nice. So yeah, the shower, nothing too fancy, nothing crazy. I actually never turned on the heater for the water because in Thailand you don't need that. But yeah, now the shelves or little space here. That's my bag over there. And by the way, that's the only bag I travel with, backpack. Yeah, so that's what we have here. This is how the room looks from the other side. Okay. This is the balcony. Now, I do have some clothes here that I washed, so that's that. The view, it's not nice, but honestly, I like it. I have chickens in the morning here, so as I said, I'm not very pretentious. The downside is that there's a deposit here, and sometimes they make noise. But there was more noise when they were building those things over there. And for some reason, I truly like. It's weird, I know, but I truly like just staying here and watching that building and the balconies from that building. Just look. I just feel like I'm in the 80s or something. Wasn't even born back then, obviously, but it gives me that feel. I don't know. And I like old stuff. But yeah, that's it. Let's go back to the room. And maybe let's do a little extra tour. Let me show you a little more of the inside of the building, because I think it's really nice. And I'm gonna have a video from the evening as well, or how it looks in the evening too. Yeah. It's amazing that it doesn't have, or like it has an open roof. The downside is that it's noisier. Okay. And let me give you a tip, guys. Someone said it's better to have a studio, to rent a studio that is on the ground floor, because it's not as hot. And usually here, at least in this building and the buildings that are not as fancy, but for me this building is fancy and it looks nice. But anyways, there are other buildings that are more luxurious, and it's more expensive to live on a lower floor than on a higher floor. But someone said that it's a good thing. And here's the parking area that I showed you earlier. Someone said it's a good thing because you are going to pay less in electricity, because you don't need to use the AC that much, because it's cooler on a lower floor. And that might be true. However, I would say, or at least for me, I would prefer a higher floor. I'm at so I'm not at the ground floor, I'm at first floor, but I think I would leave at the last floor, and that is because it's less noisy. First of all, because of that. And or in fact, that's the only reason. So it is also cheaper, maybe it's more expensive too, to leave at the last floor. More expensive in terms of, like, you need to use the AC a little more, but it's less noisier. And yeah. Okay, so here they were renovating, in fact, and it was very, very noisy. Very noisy. had over a week when they were banging in my head every day from early morning until evening. But I can see there's one more room that has, or one more apartment that has the door open, so I'm gonna peek in for you guys a little bit. Look, a gecko. So all the apartments are the same. Let us actually check. Let's go in. This one has a new fridge. Let's check. A little different layout, but yeah, you can hear a lot of things from here too, but maybe it will be less noisy. Yeah, it's the same type of awesome. Looks like they renovated this room already. But yeah, that's it, guys. If you are curious, or if you want to know the location of this place and the name, let me know in the comment. Write name of the location and I will tell you what it is. See you in the next video.